Okay, this is how we make a zingaro from the scratch. You take matumbutumbu, you put on the stomach, and you start round, 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 and you keep going round, 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 and yeah, you put the matumbutumbo or intestine around, and round, 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 and you put a knot. That's it. Oh, double knot. Let me see. Wow, amazing.